Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the exact Gopro model and current firmware so you don't install the wrong file. Once done, charge the battery to at least 50% or keep the camera on external power. Next, download the matching firmware file to your computer or phone. Make sure the file name matches the model. Connect the camera to your computer via USB or mount the micro SD card in a card reader. This prepares the device for file transfer and avoids interruptions later. You'll copy the firmware file to the root directory of the micro SD card. Do not place it inside folders. Once the copy finishes, safely eject the card or unmount the camera from your computer to prevent file corruption. Insert the card back into the camera and power it on. The Gopro will usually detect the update automatically and prompt you. If it does, confirm installation. While it installs, do not power off the camera or remove the card. Interruptions can brick the device. After the update completes, you should verify the new firmware version in the camera settings to confirm success. If the camera doesn't boot or the update fails, power it down, reformat the micro SD card using the camera or computer, recopy the firmware, and retry the process. This fixes most file transfer errors. Make sure you keep a backup of original files on your computer before trying again. Finally, restore any settings or media you need, and test the camera functions briefly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.